Yonke into yakho edliwe abathakathi. Yonke into yakho. What's your name? Magama lakho? Simphiwe Mpele. Yonke into yakho. Yonke, I'm telling you. Yonke into yakho ebanjwe izandla ezirongo. Yonke into enegama lakho ebanjwe izandla zakho iyaphunyuka manje. I want to bless you. Ngifuna ukukubusisa. Your husband died, indoda yakho yatshona. Indoda yakho yatshona. Yathi xa itshona indoda yakho wafumana enye. Wafumana uMasihlalisana. Okay. So your husband died because he had a problem yesifuba. Because abesebenza emine. Abe asthmatic. Then watshona. Machona nawe wayitholela nje. Wayitholela umuntu. Tholela boyfriend. Kwaphuma imali zakho. Mayiphuma imali zakho yathi boyfriend ithumela imali kwi-account yayo iyo investor ama business.
Amen.
Eh?
Amen.
Wayithatha yonke imali wayi-investa kwi-boyfriend.
Amen.
Manje i-boyfriend ifone ayisangeni.
Angimboni mfundisi.
Awusamtholi.
Ngicela uncedo lakho mfundisi, ngicela uncede.
Hear me. Hear me. Hear me. I want to bless you. Ngifuna ukukusiza.
Amen.
Okubuhlungu bengingazukusiza ngibasiza abantu abafana na abatrust abantu abangabazi. But I want to help you because uNkulunkulu uthe kimi unabantwana abayi4.
Amen.
Manje abantwana bakho bayastrugglisha.
Amen.
Abantwana bakho balala bengadlanga baphila nosisi.
Amen.
Nemoto yendoda yakho wahamba nayo. I want to help you because the Lord said to me, that's what the Lord said to me. uNkulunkulu uthe kuma ngihambe ngiyobheka i900,000 owayithumela wena eCapitec account.
Amen.
Wayithumelela kuye. Wayisithi ena le 900,000 izobuya nama-million abese yokushada.
Makwamanje nje umntana uyabhala.
Selimanto pravalita pava. Selimanto elemente. Selimo edelibata. As I'm talking to you now, imali yakho seyityile kushiyeke 400,000 only. Sheke 400,000 only. Today, Shamanto ilamanto prevelia. Selimonte ilavalita prava. Shelimanta ilamansto pravalia asaladash. Vento pre isolodash. Lemanto ila bravalia. Nemoto yakho sewayithengisa. Shelinta brava. Shelemente libra. Shalimanta bravalia asaladash. Shemon ilamanto laha. Today at 7 o'clock in your Capitec account, kuzongena 400,000 today. It's coming back to you. Hear me. To everyone that is here, I am a matured prophet. I've started this when I don't just profess for the sake of being excited. Learn from every prophet I make in this house. I don't expect one of my daughter, actually, I don't expect one of my daughter athengele indoda imoto, a boyfriend. I don't expect that. So once you do that, it means you are foolish. You don't listen to me. I'm expecting uba ulone indoda uthi baby, hayi ngiyamthanda shema. Ukhona la udla kwelicala ngizomphakamisa. I'm telling you ngizomphakamisa. Because ngifuna ukumbuyisela, but before ngimbuyisele, she must learn. So that all of you learn. Kubi emhlabeni. I'm telling you. Umhlaba kubi emhlabeni. It's going to happen to you, my daughter, today at 7 o'clock. Go and glorify God. Go and celebrate God. Be blessed. Angifuna ukuqambela mangangithi ngizozama ukubuyisa enye liphara kanayo akakhwaphazo ithatha khona umsebenzi wakhe kuqhatha abafazi abanemali. Learn from that and God bless you. Sit down. Uneminyaka emingaphi?